video. This is me, Loretta. I'll show you this kitchen set. This is we already opened the guys. Welcome to my video again. We might have a little bit of trouble. This is the box we want to show you. Look,
kita mau unboxing modern kitchen. Ini ya, yang udah kita bongkar. Oke.
Yeah, we had to put this in up here because it's just stuck. It's a little bit close. After extractions, look the menus. Cause look, we can order something. Look in here. Let me show you how to make it. Do you see these ones? These two, we have to do it in the up here. You have to cook it here. Really? Come on, really? You make crazy at me? I'm doing chicken size. You're right here. Okay. All right here. And then you all done to piece this up. Did you now use these? Then you use these ones. Use this is for the stuff to do. Right here. It's upside down. It's upside down. And we have to click it right here. See? Have the orange part. Let me take the orange part. Right here. This is the orange part. We have to click it right here. But it's not too hard. So we have to move it like this. It's not too easy. Look at me. Cause this is the sink. And this is the park. You can put water, or you can make this. You can put the butter right here and you can pour water. Cause have a pee pit. This is the pee pit to put the water inside. Cause while you want to put the water, you have to put it right here. Cause I don't know again, the waters cannot count to fit in here. Cause have holes. We have to use this one. Cause I can show you to put it. This is the holes for to put it. Come on, really? You have to click it like this. And then we can put the top part. This is the top part. Did you see these holes? We have to put it in there. Did you see it? It's not so hard. It's a little bit hard. There, done. Then we got more surprise. We can put these both, or we can put this. It's too hard. Did you see it? It's not too hard. Because we have to put this red part right and down. Did you see that teeny tiny holes? That you can't. There, done. And then you can put this up. Come on, really? You have to do it like this. Come on, really? Bro. How do you do it up, down here? You're gonna put it there. And then you can put it right over here. You can put this part on it. No, too hard. Have to click it right and down. Did you see it? Could have a part on it. You click it. Could have a hole. You can see it. There, done. Now I don't know how to put inside it. Because we have to get this off first. Put this up, wait a second, off right here. And then we can put it up here. So, did you say that hole? Come on. I can't put it. Oh, come on, really? And then we can put this bottom and you can just click it. Come on. It's kind of the wrong size. You make it much better. Now you have to click up right over here. Did you set that hole? Because you have to click it in. And you have to click it in. You have to to do like this, or you know how to make. Can you do the holes? I put the holes. Because I had to make it so hard like this. I forgot to make. This is the instructions, and right in this box. And then we got these. We got this white part to put in the back. See, you have to like this in. I know. Mom, help me. Then we have to. I already put the white part. Last my mom is put the piece. Time for decorating. Did you see this furniture already? I clicked it in, and this white part for not get other foods. This is all the stuff. Good. Then we put this nice yellow bunch, the yellow one for we already write it. Just we soap it. Use this tool to wrap it in because no use the chalk anymore. And then you just squeeze it in. See? That's easy. And then let me show you the much more stuff. This is the cup. It's almost break because I don't want to put it. Because I want to put. Did you see that teeny tiny hole to put the water? To put a water inside. See? Did you see that? Because you have to mean to what is this called? To press it. So hard to press it. Because did you see it? What is that? Down to it. I don't know this for what. And then did you see it? To get down the water. And then we put this up. Cause let's see a picture in there. Cause this is for to make the soup or something. Because this is for the mixturing. It is for to cut something fruits. And this is last we are done to cook. This you put in here. This is the kitchen toys. Because we had to decorate it. Because let me show you the toys next. This is a bowl or put the sugar or a flour. You take the cat and the tea, put up here, because it's kind of higher. Where's the milk carton? The milk carton. Right here, for the little kids. Need a milk, and then have much more stuff. It's kind of early. And right here, this is all the orange and put it. See the fridge right here. And this is the white part. As we put it, and then we can put food. This is not what can't fit. I put this the flour and here. Oh boy, right here. Really, of course, kind of too hard. And down and down. I kind of drop because then we just close it like this. Because we will put this tiny boom. You can add this piece first because you can add this piece or I can put the holes in there. But I can clean it up first. Whoa, the cup. I have to put the cup down or I can then put all in here first. Just put it right here because I have put gently. This is almost a brace. I just put right here. Can have one stuck in there. Sorry. And then there you put these to it back again in the shelf, or we can lay it down. This is kind of taller. Put it up here. More stuff. Did you see my water in the back? Because this is all for our little kids to eat it. So we got a spoon, a fork, and a knife. Because you have to be careful. This is a real knife. It's a mini knife. This is a mini knife, and this is the bigger knife. This is the dangerous. It's hard to make it. This one kind of hard to put it. This we got. This is so dangerous. Oh, cause I lost the spatula to flip the egg in the bacon, and then we already have 2 spoons, 1 fork, and 1 knife. Of course, we have the plate. This plate have 3 plates and have some food too. We got 3 plates because then we play it and we're pretending to play with these all the kitchen foods, and we just already play it, and we just pretending to play this kitchen toy. Can put water left the plate already dirty. Can wash it in here because the food is not real, only toys. Just we love to pretending. We can put water. Did you see the holes right there? And we can, because we already washed it. Just we can put it in here. Because I want to try to put it in here. Almost break. Okay, a bit of coffee. Always. Not needing only coffee. Because I have put right here for your nose. Because I already put all of them in there. And I can push it right here. You put this right here. And then this is the crackers. Early crackers. I had to put crackers in there because it's so hard to close it. Because my mom is turning it up. Because you have to put a battery right here. We have to put the crackers right there. And the strawberry flavor right there. And then this is off the kitchen toy. This is off the kitchen toy because I never move it. And we can put in there. Because we have to put it in the back. Right there we have a lot. Last we not have this kitchen toy. We got the tiny one, less we let those. And we got here all right here. You put the carrots, the lettuce. This is for something. You put the plant. You put it in there. You put all of them. Well, we not put. But this is also not off the kitchen toy. Then we just put it in here. It's okay. But we got more. This is to put right here. We can put the battery right here. And we'll turn it. And there are like that. We still have more. We have to mean to do it again because we have to put off more stuff. And we put it up here because it's okay. I don't want to put it in here. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my video because
Angela, Merici,
Angela,
Cecilia.
Merici, Cecilia, because it's me, Loretta, and my mom is videoing me. This kitchen toy, and this is the unboxing. Have a holder or you can take care of. Because I lost this one to flip it, but have more to collect it. Oh yeah, have one more. And don't subscribe first. Have one more. This one. This is off this kitchen set. Did you see it? This thing you can put in the freezer. Because goodbye. Don't subscribe for my video of Merici, Cecilia.
Angela, Merici, Cecilia.
Angela, Merici, Cecilia. Don't
For
forget.
unboxing,
Don't
modern kitchen.
Yeah, Mom.
Swim
And-
water like Sunot.
Yes, of course we got. Cause last we already watched the fruit.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe my channels to
Angela, Merici, Cecilia.
Angela,
Bye bye.
Angela, Mary, Cecilia. Bye bye.